I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
He not having no chick. You need a man, buy you bags, have you bragging and shit. You don't need no man without no pen doing all that nasty.
What's going on, man?
Not much.
What you running here, man?
Two American-based Hawk 12s on a Soundqubed 5K.
Yes, sir.
It ain't been together too long. I don't even know what place it is.
I heard it over there. I gotta go check them out.
Just to pull up on a bitch. Sorry on my roller, just to shut up on my wrist. 50 gold bottles, weed popping on my wrist. I heard it real nigga on the left to do this shit. All my niggas dirty, from my boss to my soul. Put your little boy up to nigga get it sold. All my niggas biking like they throw them in the soul. The message to the city, some little nigga, yeah, sold. I done seen it all. I done seen it all. I done seen it all. I done seen it all before. I done seen it all. I done seen it all. I done seen it all. I done seen it all before. I done seen it all before. Pull up with the rest and show you nigga how to storm. Last roast niggas show them how to beat the system. You never pop the ballers, cause you sitting there trying to twist. I really say.
How much power you got running back there?
5K.
Yes, there's a wood roof in it.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, I was wondering why I wasn't doing a lot of moving around.
Yeah, it's two layers.
Okay, I was
3/4 inch.
I like how you got the factory look.
Yeah, it didn't do too bad.
Yeah, that look pretty good. Can I check the trunk out?
Yeah.
as well?
Yeah. But I lost my eyes lamp the other day.
Oh yeah, that's clean, man.
But it's I lost that 4 channel. That normally runs all my tweeters.
Yeah.
So I'm just running off the mids.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It sounds good.
It's got 2. Still old school. Still got AGMs in it.
Yeah. But it's holding up pretty good.
Yeah, it's got 3 AGMs and it's got a JS 350.
Okay, yeah. It do the job though.
It gets up.
Are you on Facebook or TikTok anywhere?
Facebook.
Okay, let them know where they can find you.
Nick Farley.
Okay, Nick Farther.
Yep, Nick Farley. And I do car audio.
Okay, so they can come to you and get a build done if they want to?
Yep.
Okay, y'all be sure to follow. I'm going to tag them below. If y'all want to get a build or setup done like this, y'all be sure to hit them up. Man, I sure appreciate it, man. Thank you, man. Thank you.
Hey, you still rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
I so appreciate it.